IndyCar driver James Hinchcliffe was taken to a hospital after crashing his car at practice for the Indianapolis 500. I'm Antonieta Collins. Hinchcliffe is the fourth driver in a frightening wreck in the past week. And for more on this, we are joined by ESPN Motorsports writer John Orovitz. John, scary scene once again in Indy. What happened with James Hinchcliffe?
Well, Tony, it appears that there was a mechanical failure on James Hinchcliffe's car. It appears that a component in the front suspension, which attaches the push rod, which is an arm that helps the shock absorber function, broke. Hinchcliffe lost control of the car, and it speared straight into the turn 3 wall. It hit very hard at a 45-degree angle with the right front corner, and it spun around, and then it almost flipped up on its top while it was moving slowly right before it came to rest, but it did land on its wheels.
Now, John, what do we know about his condition?
Well, he was. It took the IndyCar safety team a few minutes to extricate Hinchcliffe from the car. He was placed on the backboard and transported by ground in an ambulance to Methodist Hospital in downtown Indianapolis, where he was immediately taken to surgery for an unspecified injury to his left thigh. He's currently listed in stable condition.
Now, we mentioned this is the fourth driver to be involved in an accident the last week. Now, any similarities between Hinchcliffe's accident and the previous three?
Well, the thing to focus on here to me is that IndyCar is concerned because this is the fourth car that has gotten upside down or nearly gotten upside down in the past week. And this tends to happen only after the car has crashed. All of the crashes that have happened in the past week have been by different causes. There was a tire deflation in one instance. In one case, the driver just lost control. Another car was set up with an unstable aerodynamic setup. In this case, there was a clear component failure that caused the accident. But once again, the concern is that the car nearly did get upside down. It did briefly before landing on its wheels. And this is a safety concern that IndyCar has to look into on its oval track configuration, which is being tested for the first time here in Indianapolis this week.
Once again, ESPN's John Orovitz with the perspective. For more on this story, you can read about it right here on ESPN.com.